Well, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Ariana. This DIY video is so easy. Literally, there's no sewing involved, and you can pretty much put whatever you want into a plain t-shirt or a sweatshirt. It's an awesome way to totally customize your things, and it's so easy to do. So aside from your shirts, the other thing you're going to need is this stuff. It's an iron-on adhesive. That's super awesome, especially this one. This one's meant for stretchy materials, which is awesome for knits. You can even wash it and everything like that. You don't even have to sew it. And then you're going to need some scrap fabric, and then of course an iron so you can iron it on. So the first thing you're going to want to do is design whatever you want to put or make as your applique. So I'm just pulling up Illustrator here. You can do text, you can do images, you can do whatever you want really, as long as it's pretty easy to cut out of scrap fabric. And then once you've got that printed out, you're just going to cut out each of the shapes or letters. Then grab a piece of your scrap fabric and then cut out a matching piece of the iron-on adhesive, and then just follow the instructions on the back of the package. You'll just lay down the rough side onto the fabric and then iron it with the paper side facing up. And then literally all you're going to do is trace out each of your shapes or letters onto that paper. And if you're doing letters, be sure to flip them so that they'll face the right direction whenever you cut them out. And then cut them out, and you can line them up wherever you want onto the shirt or wherever you're putting this applique. And then all you're going to do is peel off that paper backing and then iron it on with the steam setting to really get those letters stuck on there. And just as a tip, you can put a scrap piece of fabric over the top while you iron so that it doesn't get caught and you protect the applique from the iron. And that's literally it. That's all you have to do. So you could do any kind of design or shapes, whatever you want to do. Like for this one, I'm doing closed eyes with the eyelashes. We've seen these shirts around before. And then you just literally trace it onto the scrap fabric and do the exact same thing. And now the other cool thing is, if you've got a shirt or a sweater that has some kind of logo on there that you're like, I don't go to MSU, or I don't want to wear that on my shirt, this is a great way. You could literally cover that up. All you're going to do is cut out a square or a rectangle of fabric that's going to cover the existing logo. And then whatever text or any other kind of design that you want to put on there will just go right on top of that rectangle. Like I used this floral kind of flowy fabric as my letters. And then same thing, just iron that adhesive on and then trace onto the paper backing and then cut them on and get them onto that rectangle, same kind of way. And then the difference here is that you're going to put that adhesive on the back of the entire rectangle as well, so that when you peel off that paper backing, you can iron that entire rectangle to cover the existing logo. See, super cool way to customize your things and to give a whole new look and style to shirts or sweaters that you may just get rid of just because of the logo. But thanks for watching. Hope you guys have fun with this. Be sure to subscribe for other videos and give this video a thumbs up. You can check out some of my other DIY videos that I've already put up. I've got them here for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.